Hi, it's Adrienne Oliver with the Oliver team at Remax Universal. Wanted to talk to you today about our listing process. So we give our sellers a home selling checklist. So these steps can be broken down into three parts. The first part would be your pre-listing checklist. So the one thing I would encourage people to do is to do your research, right? So once the decision has been made to sell, most homeowners want to get their homes on the market as soon as possible. So regardless of this timeline, there's a couple things that you should do. Number one, your research. So real estate agents have a wealth of knowledge about market trends and factors that can impact your home value. So you should lean on their expertise. With so much information out there, many homeowners can't help but do their own research, which is fine, but you need to be prepared and understand that the home value and this can also make the selling process stressful and confusing, or not stressful and confusing. So to get an idea of what you might sell for, you could do a little comparative analysis. You can look at some of the comps in the neighborhood. You can look at sites like HAR to get an idea of market value. But don't compare your homes to ones that are much larger or much smaller than yours or in a different zip code. If they're in a flood area or not in a flood area, if they have new flooring or new roof, you can't necessarily compare those two. That's part of why you hire a team to help you. The second thing that you want to do is you want to get your finances in order, right? So selling your home doesn't come without expenses. For example, you may have to pay for essential repairs, home improvements that are recommended by me and my team, staging, and moving. You also need to pay your mortgage off with any related fees. Buy the buyer's title insurance, which is most common. Pay capital gains tax if it's an investment, or pay any transfer taxes if that applies to you. You'll get a clear idea of the costs that are associated with selling your home so that you can factor them in and plan to what's going to go into your pocket. The last thing that you need to do is you need to hire a reputable real estate agent. So again, me and my team, who would love to work with you guys, obviously, right? But when you buy and sell a home, especially the selling part, you are going to pay the buyer's agent commissions. Well, it's possible to sell your home on your own. Since about 2016, about 90% of the home sellers have used an agent. Even the big players disrupting the real estate space still use an agent. iBuyers use an agent. Realtors are the guide. We are the local boots on the ground. We know how to help you make the right decisions for your unique needs, field and negotiate offers, as well as several other things. So there's a lot of agents to deal that are in the Houston metro. There's 1.5 million of us in the United States. So that's a lot of things for you to research. I would love to individually give you my value proposition. One of the last things that you want to do is you want to take care of deferred maintenance. So 71% of home buyers are afraid to purchase a home that needs work. So if you don't do your deferred maintenance, you've just eliminated 71% of your home buyers. So if you look at ROI, there's a couple things that you need to pay attention to. 1, issues with your electrical or plumbing systems. 2, the age of your roof. Any building code violations that are major, like GFCIs. Any other safety issues such as front and backyard pathways, uneven things, and trip hazards. Next, you're going to tackle your pre-listing home improvements. So you're going to look at those things. You're going to look at what you need to do. You're going to paint it. You're going to do all these things. If you do these minor things that I will actually come out and go over with you, I can sell your home 65% faster than if you didn't have a contractor. I have a list of contractors that can help you as well. 2 is now your house is on the market. Congratulations. What do you do now? So there's a couple things that I need you to do if you want to sell your home while it's on the market. You need to keep your home free of clutter and clean. This includes making your beds, picking up things that are lying around like shoes, toys, other items on the floor and the couch, cleaning your bathroom and kitchen, taking out the trash, sweeping or vacuuming your floors. And then putting all your valuables. You also might want to consider having a place for you and your pet to stay while the home is being shown. I do have a pet sitting service that will actually come take your dog for a walk for the 1 hour of your showing appointment. That can be booked fairly easy. That is something that I do offer my clients. The last thing you want to do while your house is on the market is you want feedback. My clients get feedbacks twice a week. They get it on Tuesday and Thursday, but sometimes we have to tweak things, right? So that feedback is very important. The third part is steps to ensure a seamless sale, right? You're gonna tackle a punch list of repairs after the inspection. You're gonna get ready for the final walkthrough. So you're gonna double check that you've completed in your repairs and make sure that all the items that are supposed to be left in the home, like appliances, are in working order. The next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna move out and lock up. So you check that all the windows and doors are secured, you turned off all the lights, you shut off the water, you lock the front door, preventing unauthorized access while the house is empty, and you leave the keys. The last step is you officially close. This is the part everyone likes. This is the money part. In order to close, you're gonna need a couple things. You're going to need to bring your government issued ID or driver's license. I will provide the title company the purchase contract. They will research the deed. You are gonna need to bring any house keys, garage door openers, access codes, smart locks, HOA information, pretty much like a handbook for your home because you're selling it. You need to make sure that all your utilities are on through the day of close. So after closing, you are going to call all of your utility providers and have all of those things shut off. And you also need to bring either a cashier's check or a checkbook in case you need to cut anyone a check. Sometimes we agree to repairs and you have to give somebody cash at closing, or sometimes there's other issues why you would need to do that. So once all documents are signed, your house is considered sold, then it's funded, and usually people either get a wire or a check. So that's pretty much the steps to selling your home, kind of the condensed little version. My name is Adrienne Oliver. I'm with RE/MAX Universal. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.